So the volume of the cube then is going to equal, the volume of the cube is going to equal x cubed, and the volume of the cuboid, let's call that CB, the volume of the cuboid is going to equal 2 times 5 times x, which equals 10x. So the volume, we're told that the volume of the cube is 100 centimetres more than the volume of the cuboid, so that would mean that x cubed would equal, well, if we took 100 away, then we would get the volume of the cuboid, which would be 10x, and if we then move this around to show that we can bring the 10x to the left side of the equation, it will then become a negative, and we can move the minus 100 to the right, and that gives us exactly what we were trying to show. So we've shown that x cubed minus 10x equals 100. So I'm trying to solve x cubed minus 10x equals 100, and you'll see that I've inserted some attempts I've had on my calculator. I've tried 7, 6 and 5, and what I've established is the answer is somewhere between 6 and 5. The 6 gives us 156, which is too big, and the 5 gives us 75, which is too small. So I'm now going to try something closer to 5 than 6, as 5 got me closer. So I'm going to start with 5.2, so I need to do 5.2 cubed minus 10 times 5.2. So you can now see I've inserted screenshots of my calculator, and I've tried 5.2, 5.3 and 5.4. Now if we look at 5.4, this was too small, but S for too small, and if we look at 5.3 is too small, if you look at 5.4, it's too big. So you now just got to decide which one got you closer. Well, the 5.3 gives me 95.8, that's more than 4 away, whereas 5.4 is 3.4 away, so that's closer. So the answer then that gets us to one decimal place for x cubed minus 10x equals 100 is going to be 5.4.